Hey guys, I'm back today with another video. This one is going to be brought to you by the company Nadula Hair. And today I'm going to be showcasing a glueless pre-cut wig. This is their Jerry Curly 5x5 lace closure wig. This is 24 inches in length, 150% in density. So this is what the cap construction is looking like. You get 2 combs on the side, no comb in the back, and you do get a removable elastic band. Went ahead and washed my unit off of camera, so this is what it is looking like. I didn't put any product in it yet. I went ahead and bleached the knots on my unit because I was already bleaching knots on other wigs that day, so I said why not. As you can see, I did go in with my tailored crowns lace tint, but I went in with the color almond instead of caramel because I feel like caramel is just a little bit too orange. And look how well it blends into my skin. I don't feel like it looks too dark at all. That lace is already looking laid. I am doing a glueless install. I'm going to add bobby pins to the side for extra security just to make sure that the wig doesn't go anywhere. And I also want to show you guys what that parting space is looking like. I feel like this looks really good. I don't think I'm going to have to go in and pluck anything. It's given scalp. I did not leave my bleach on for too long because the knots were small, but I feel like it did enough to make it look super realistic. But if you want to rock this straight out the pack, you definitely can. I already styled another pre-cut wig doing a middle part, so I want to see what this is going to look like as a side part. You guys know I like to go in and curve my parting space, so that is already looking good. Yes. Now for today, I will be using my Nairobi mousse just to kind of give that melted effect in the front, just pushing all the hair back. And I feel like mousse is really great to lay your wig down, especially if you're going to rock it glueless, because it's giving the illusion that it's melted, but it ain't really melted. But ain't nobody gotta know that. So I'm just gonna brush everything into place. Now, I wanted just like a little swoop on this side, but I'm gonna come back to it. But I'm just brushing all the mousse into place at the front of the hairline and just kind of getting it exactly where I need it to be. This does come with a pre-pluck hairline, y'all, and I didn't have to go in and pluck out any hair. I also didn't have to go in and trim down any of the lace. I feel like it came perfect. But I cut that part down on the side. I'm using my edge brush, and then I am going to tie the front of the hairline down so I can work on styling this hair. Off my hair, and now I'm going to go in with my wide tooth comb just to get any kinks out before I add my product. Once everything is combed out, I'm going to go in with my spray bottle and just wet the hair really good, making sure to really focus on those ends because they are looking a little bit dry. Now to make sure the curls are popping, I'm going to go in with my Tresemme Flawless Curl Cream, and I'm going to put a generous amount in, making sure, like I said, to focus on those ends because I don't want them dried up when they dry down. And you can see that the curls are definitely starting to pop back into place. Go in with my defining brush just to clump all the curls together. I have the curls all defined. I'm just gonna place my diffuser on and get to drying. All the products that I'm using in today's video can be found down below in the description area. Everything is fully dried down, y'all. Look how nice and juicy these curls are looking. So now it's time for me to take off this elastic band so we can see what the front of this hairline is looking like. It is looking good. I'm just kind of brushing that hair out that I swoop so it can look a little bit more natural. I don't want it kind of melted down to my face, but y'all look at that. Look how good that's looking. So I'm gonna place a little bit of powder into the parting space area. I do not even need to put powder in the front because it just looks that good. I'm just placing my Sleek and Shine serum throughout this hair. I made sure to kind of bunch it all up without picking it out too much because I don't want the hair to get frizzy. But with the serum, it does help to give the sleek look, and it also helps to protect against frizziness and flyaways. But look at how it looks once I fluff everything up. It still has a really nice sheen to it. Is the final look, y'all, and this hair is so pretty. I'm gonna turn around so you can see exactly what it looks like in the back. I am only 5'2" for reference. Even though it states that this is 24 inches, you guys know that it does get a bit shorter once the curls do dry down, but it even makes for a good ponytail. And of course, I just wanted to show you guys what the sides look like, and everything just looks really natural. It's even blending into my own hairline, and look at that, pick up and put down. You stay tuned after this so you can hear my final thoughts when it comes to this wig. I absolutely love these pre-cut wigs. I am here for them. The fact that I don't have to worry about cutting any lace. I feel like the parting space on this is still really nice. I mean, I did go in and bleach the knots because I feel like the knots were just a little bit dark. However, the knots are small. They're not big at all. So if you don't want to go in and bleach your knots, you don't have to. But if I'm already bleaching other wigs and I feel like some knots could be more scalp-like, I'm going to go ahead and do it. It doesn't take me any time at all. But I added a little bit of powder into the parting space area, and I just added some powder around this area. I didn't go in with any powder right here because I added some of my tint spray, and I used the almond color, and I feel like it just looks a bit better. Sometimes when I go in with the caramel color, I feel like it's a little bit too orange, and then I have to go in and fix it up with a lighter powder. So I feel like this just blends in really well to my skin tone. It's absolutely gorgeous. Now, it is curly hair, so you still are going to have to maintain it. You won't get away with easy maintenance when it comes to this type of texture, but I really don't have any cons on this wig. Besides, I feel like it's just too big. I wish that this came in a smaller cap size. I adjusted my strap all the way. I got it as tight as possible, and I can still feel some room back here. Up here, I'm not having any issues. In the nape area, I also added some bobby pins on the side. I feel like if I added my silicone grip, it would be even more secure. So I'm okay with it. I think that the pre-cut wigs are just a go-to for the summertime. Y'all know last year or the year before last, I don't even know how long it's been, we had the headband wigs, but the pre-cut wigs are definitely 2 thumbs up. I've only tried this curly texture so far, so I'm hoping to try some other textures just to see how I like it. But I feel like the curly is just, it just looks good. I mean, look at it. Hair on it is soft. I didn't get a lot of shedding with this during the styling process, but I do expect some snags to happen. What you guys think about this unit? I don't feel like this is just for beginners. I feel like this is for somebody who just doesn't want to worry about cutting any lace. I didn't even have to go in and trim any extra pieces down. It's laying very flat on the side, especially, you know, by those tracks. I think I covered everything, but if you are interested in this one, I am going to make sure to leave a link down below in the description area, and I'll see you guys next time.